Hi everybody, very good morning. Last class we discussed about an economy. So economy meaning, I said economy is the mechanism through which the scarce resources are prioritized and organized for the production of goods and services. Or in the similar term, I told that the way of arranging the limited resources to fulfill our unlimited want, that process also we can call it as an economy. This is what I taught in the previous video. Today let's discuss the next second topic, that is production possibility frontier. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಸರಹದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಗಡಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ರಂಟಿಯರ್, ಹಿಯರ್ the three concepts you have to study under this concept for the point of examination. One is production possibility frontier meaning, and that theory table and diagram you have to learn. So next to that you have to learn about production possibilities. Next one, opportunity cost. So now, as in the previous topic you learned that wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So we are arranging those limited resources to fulfill our unlimited want. So that process we can call it as a economy. So the production possibility frontier, what you learn, we gave some resources to you. For example, you take 1 acre land I gave you along with 2 labors. 1 acre land and 2 labors. 1 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2 ಲೇಬರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಟು ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ 2 ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಟನ್, another one is corn. So we give these 2 resources for you. By using these resources you have to produce these 2 goods. So here one thing you have to understood, the resources what we given to you are very limited. They are given. With that resources only you have to adjust to produce these 2 goods. You cannot increase number of labors, even you can't able to increase the size of land also. So that's why these resources are limited. Here I told no, resources are limited. So by using these limited resources you have to apply one technology or the technique for the use of these 2 goods. So how we will produce these 2 goods by using these limited resources and technology, that process here we can call it as a production possibility frontier. ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಸರಹದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಕೊರತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು 2 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸ್ಬೋದು. By using the given resources, how we can produce these 2 kinds of goods and services in whatever the ways we can produce. So for that we can explain with the help of one suitable table. There, for example, you can make one table, that is combinations. Another one is cotton. Next one, corn. Like that you frame one table. So like this we can give some options to the farmer or the producer. A option, both the things, both land and labor, instead of using for the cotton you can use the whole things for the production of corn. If the whole thing, both the things if you use for the production of corn, by that you can produce 5 units or 10 units of corn. ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, 2 ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀನು ಒಂದು 0 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟನ್ 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಬೋತ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ you can have option B. Option B, what it says, okay, here cotton is not producing anything, only corn you are going to produce. All the resources you are using for the production of corn, better instead of producing only corn you can use some resources for the production of cotton. So here what you have to do, 1 unit cotton you are going to produce. So here some resources used for the production of 1 unit of corn, so remaining resources you can use to produce the some resources you use for the production of cotton, remaining resources you are going to use for the production of corn. So here you can reduce the number of units of production of corn from 10 to 8. Why it become 8? Some of resources what we uses earlier here for the production of corn, some resources we use for the production of cotton. So with the help of remaining resources we can produce 8 units of corn. Now if you don't like this option, you can go for another option, C. Option C, what it says, instead of producing 1 unit of corn, you can produce 2 units of corn. So here the whole resources, whatever the total resources you are having, some of those resources used for the production of 2 units of cotton. So remaining units if you use for the production of corn, by that you can produce 6 units of corn. Next, if you don't like this option, you can go for another option, that is option D. Option D, what it says, instead of producing 2 units of corn, you can go to produce 1 more unit of cotton by using that resources. So some amount of this resources what I gave to you, some resources used for the production of 2 units of corn, and remaining units you can use to produce corn. Some units of you have used it for the production of cotton, remaining units you're going to use for the production of corn. So here you can reduce the production of corn from 6 to 5. Then you can go for another combination. If you don't like that combination, you can go to one more combination, that is combination E. The combination E tells that as if you want, you can produce 4 units of cotton and 0 units of corn. So keep that in your mind, students. I will tell one idea to you, that is here if it become 0, then it has to be more, which what it says here, no cotton is producing here, all the resources we are using for the production of corn. If you come here, whatever the resource we have, that all resources we are using for the production of cotton, but we are not using any, or we are not producing any corn. This is what the production possibility table, ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ತಪ್ಸೀಲು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಂದರೆ, ಎರಡು ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ 2 ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು 2 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಈ 2 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಸರಹದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಏನು? ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾರ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಆ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾಟನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋಂಥ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು 6 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾಟನ್, 5 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್. ಫೈನಲಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಟನನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು 1-2 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು 2 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಆಯಾಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ಸರಹದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾ ರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so mind there, this is A, this is B, here corn, cotton, A, B, C, D, E. So some of the student what they do, A and E you want to mark on axis, but many of you what you will do, you will mark A here and E here like this. No, you should not do like that, because it represent 0 units of corn, 0 units of cotton and 10 units of corn. It represents 4 units of cotton and 0 unit of corn. So likewise, this is what the diagram what you have to use for the production possibility frontier. So this only we can call it as a production possibility frontier. So how to define the production possibility frontier? The curve which represent different alternative combination. The curve which represent different alternative combinations of two goods, which the producer can produce by the use of limited resources and technology. That is called production possibility frontier. So now the first one we finish, production possibility frontier. Next, production possibility. See, these are the production possibilities or sets, baskets, also we can say any like. So first possibility what it says, by using this whole resources you can produce 0 units of cotton and 10 units of corn. This is the first set. Second set or second possibility what it says, by using these resources you are able to produce 1 unit of cotton and 8 unit of corn. Third option, 2 units of cotton, 6 unit of corn. So these are we can call say possibilities, production possibilities or sets. Next, opportunity cost. This is the most important question for your exam. Be careful. It will repeat it in other chapters also. Opportunity cost. See, when you keep increasing the production of cotton, you have to give up the production of corn. ಕಾಟನನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸದಾವಕಾಶ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಎ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್, to get more units of cotton, the producer have to give up the production of some units of corn. Once again I repeat, in order to get more units of cotton or to produce more and more units of cotton, the producer have to give up the production of corn or production of some units of corn when moving from one combination to another combination, like A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E. That we can call as a opportunity cost. So this is what the topic what you wanted to learn as a production possibility frontier. Students, be careful. It is an important question for 4 marks. There is no 6 marks questions in the first lesson. Okay, so it is the first 4 marks question from this lesson. So this is what production possibility frontier. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.